we have here? I can't see your photos. I can't see your names yet. Hopefully, there will be no disturbance to this. And this is just a short announcement. All right. This is a short announcement for what's to come. 2 p.m. Nigerian time, as you can see. He's back again. Back with full force. All right. Yeah. We're back again. 2 p.m. Nigerian time today is going to be I and my brother, Parana, who all of you know is not somebody that needs any introduction whatsoever. Anyone who is saying otherwise is just a lie. So my people, Gabriel, my picking name be that too. Victor Zuma or 4, I see you. Victor Zuma or 4, you don't tell. Guys, hit the like button and share the video. Invite your friends and family for these afternoons. Although there's a reason why I'm doing it in the afternoon. It's going to be long, no doubt. It's going to be a long one. And it's going to be enjoyable. I'm sure those of you that know Parana very well and those that know me are aware of what to expect even before the time. Okay? So everybody, Mohammed and Lami, should be your pan wine, you know, still give me until they don't ban me from drinking pan wine. Oyeton and Biola, I salute you, Biola. You are a very serious, active participant. And those of you that love X spaces, that is Twitter. Nakwana view. Those of you that love Twitter spaces, I'm going to be on Twitter space tomorrow also, on Esther space. All right? Because we are going to be giving them back to back. All the lies they told about us, we are going to respond to each and every one of them. Okay? You say also, my brother now, they don't start again. Guys, please hit the like button and share. Okay? Please. Obika, I see you. Miracle, I see you. Star Bright, I see you. Acho, Quincy fan. Somebody said something, Andrew. If some people said about your channel, will go well done. Guys, please hit the like button. They've started again. No? They've started attacking their village. Gani, Yusufu. Dorothy Nemeloti Bolachi. Ogaroma. Miracle Mune Lake again. Ernest. And this Ernest, you know, send my in-law, them, the name they had me sometimes. Yeah, has completely taken over by ESA. Victor Greta. Please let me address the Orod also on first. Then I come to Orod. Ndi also, if he's still down, Ndi also. See, I am not your this thing, your governor. Neither am I the member representing you in the House of Reps. There is nothing that will be done for so people that have not done for them. There is nothing within my power that I have not done. Now, Ndi also, let me give you how we are going to advance this thing forward for these people know that you are serious. We are going to call a press conference here in Abuja. We are going to protest at the National Assembly. So, it's better you people give me like 6 people with their head correct. From those in Lagos and Abuja, we plan how to do it. So, you people will now Bring your own people. Me, I will take them to the National Assembly. This one no be for gate. We go enter inside. So it's up to you people. Now, when we go there, we present our demand. Na me go show na wetin we go write for the banners, and we go call out those we need to call out, beginning from deputy speaker, from every senator. We go tender the letter to the Senate president, copy to the presidency, and copy to the NSA. NSA, the inside National Assembly there before you go enter the complex. See NSA office like this by your left. We go NSA, go give them the letter. Then we go do better tell president how we dey solve. If in they wait for all these governors, none of them ready to do anything. All of them, their hand take this thing. Whether PDP or APC or the ones where they call themselves coalition, the LPO, Apuga, whatever, whatever, all of them, their hand is down. And until I begin, call them out. Call Kesh also make you come meet me for Abuja. Okay? Call Kesh, let him meet me in Abuja here. I go talk the one where I go talk. Then him as one for us will now say the remaining one. Every TV will be forced to carry it. You know, go beg them. Now then we go invite the ones who will go invite for the press conference. Time for question day. Anybody will want to ask us question, make he ask us. Then we go. When you want talk, no be this one why I go talk now. They go begin call on a meeting for back. And I go listen. The way they call on a meeting now, so they call me too. In fact, they even tell some people when me they ask them why they allow this useless case against me. They go on. They say make I sign on that taking sign. No go talk about IPOB again. When they hear me so, na senator tell them this thing, no. Na senator tell them this thing, na me they tell you now. A serving senator. If you count Anambra, Imo and Abia, one of them. Now from one of these states, remove Ebonyi, remove Enugu. Now we are one of them. Where tell me this thing from? When I don't understand me, that one gone. Those of you saying this thing about Orodo, you see Omonya, you see Ofekata, you see Oba, you see Ahawa. All these places that they allow them to stay, made them let them stay very well. Thank you, my brother Chimeze. Make them stay, make them enjoy them very well. Now, I still they make them open to anybody. If I hear them from Orodo, every part of Orodo is free to do what they want to do. Since on I say made them do, made them they do, but I will Orodo. And make you openly. Ihe mere ndị nke mepere ya na amandụba ga-emeki. This one, no be say they say, oh, they go cut your video, go. I say, wetin happen those wey go try and full muduru go happen to you. And the same thing goes to anybody from Amanduba. Do am any place we want to am. You see that muduru Amanduba. If I hear pen, Omonoha, Omaka, eba ni ne wuchane ya na. Even Omaka, they are there. You see them? Let them enjoy them very well. Okay? Somebody say your level. Now since where I give Nnamdi Kanu I give them. The day where I take no say them I come in. The day when Nnamdi Kanu open his useless mouth. Say the person where the Abuja they talk, make he go in village now. I make call. They say na true. Last them the same week now they knock them. If you like, send me the location, send me the face of the person where they do and phone marker for all those places. I go to see them. I no go do anything Ndi Obi Igbo chi atagukwa azu. Akwala buru Ghana. Obi Igbo go Ghana before, now he don't come back again. I know saying be work with all those boys who do animal farm that time. All of us know Obi Igbo ukwana moche. Okay? So you don't get waiting and no the but make them enjoy am. Amuku and Odomara boys are the commanders, but they will not do it in Amuku Ododo. And by the way, who in Amuku Ododo is doing that thing, sir? You know anything in Amuku Ododo? Eh? Don't write it here. Inbox me. Write it via inbox. On a day here waiting at the talk. How they put you Ododo in a jasi oshie ya? If they hear me, if they want scatter the full Ododo, make them scatter them. But you see that Amuku Ododo, each other moku me gadi and me face. Zuzu when ya nebe ni unu gane yuzu ya na kwe hore gafe gide mku Ododo. Gafe gidu o Amuku ha rute ha na nga ala Amuku bidoro kwa ire onwe gugu. Kwa ire onwe gugu munwa obo mo ndi unu na asu na unu ga-eje gbu ụlọ ha ọkụ ka mkwukwe ya. Enwa ya anwa ahịhịa nkete pụọ abufu mkpụrụ ahịhịa pụọ bunu for life mmadụ ama mbia na me dey tell you. Yes, Oburu Igwe go Ọnịcha na-ekwu ya. Nwa 12 years bụ bicycle show Ododo go Ọnịcha na-agwa gị na enwa ya anwa mfu onye a ga-afọ bunu kọtụrụkwu onye ajeje eti ebe unu na-eti achọ m isiwa n'ihe na nnu mana enwa ya ọ bụghị na-ekwu ọ bụghị tayiri ọnụ try go there try for Mama Michael I greet you my brother. You are a brother indeed. Okay? You know they hear me so? The full Imo state do am as on like. She's on a governor, no one do anything. They don't talk another amnesty. This one a number waiting. Nwa nke mba agaghị ije. Nke bụ agba ọsọ nke to ga-efe elu. Ahaba. Nwanne agba nke ma ahaba o, mo ba ho, mo fekata o, mo onya ho, ebe ọ sọrọ ya wụrụ. Ndị amandụwa, ma ezi iso, ma ụlọ anọ, ma ụmụ ndụwa, ma ime eke o, ndị ọ sọrọ ya wụrụ. Finish ye na ebe ahụ. Mana nkwa Chukwu ka ofe egbu na-ekwu n'obo na mbọsị m ga-akpọ idi amụkwa gị ọfụma ịpụta iro. Ị ga-ahapụ ewu nu makwudunu. Ị gaghị anọdị around the self ọ ị ga na-agba. Ifu ebe a na-ewelite ya inweta ọsọ ndị mmadụ. Ị ghọtago? Arọbi na-agụ ka arụsị daa nwanne m nwoke. So anyị emego na argument anụ ebe kwugodi ihe a obere na November 2023 ka endere ya. Nke final. Anyị kwere na time unu date. Let me block one ozu on anụmanụ wawa. Enugu people no vex, so anytime where somebody from with on a name call me, I go dey sort wawa people. So make una no vex. Let me block one ozu. All fake account ki geji na type here. No be you dey make no. Go open camp any of these places where I talk. If them born your useless family well, go open camp. You know, but Amudi. They go down Amudi na ke ihe ga na-eme na nje aba na-enwe na ụmụaka na agaghị na-eme na Amudi. Amudi Omanze. Amudi Omanze. Amudi Omanze dịkwu ka ọ dị mgbe na-enwebi ihe na-eme ka ọfọ kịta. Ka ọfọ na. Olese ma hebe wa Amudi Omanze. Ha jishi ike agwa m ha jishi ike aka ka m ga na-akụrụ unu na aka ka m ga na-akụrụ unu na jishi n'ike mee on ọ bụrụ ma mmadụ mee on mere gaba mee on mere unu na-aga mee mini ya na-aga. My wonderful people, I beg, no let these people take our joy, because today I got your mother. Okay? Today, we go use sieve. We go use sieve. Sieve now we go do that. When I check, me water. So my people, please, this is not supposed to be a long video. I'll be with you people at 2 p.m. on Panara's platform, okay? In Obura Muri. Hajishike. Ekwe. Nena Muri going to hold on. Okwa no maka. Here no maka. Gega fenuzo eshaguzo dure mepu. Ge hono Amuri omanze. Bono ogologo ewu ni isu nja abana. Gi mele kwekwe. Abia mu mude ewuru. Okay, otagodu na enweghị ebe a na-akọrọ m akọrọ that side. O nweghị ebe ma amahọ. Okay? Enweghị ebe m ga-achọ ịkpọ ndị amị bịa dị eme agaghị abịa. But ọbaha n'ụlọ iwe siwe resources n'ishi ndị na-achọghị ibu uru ka finish godu ha obere. Ritunu ya obere kwụ uru ahụ unu na-eri nna anaghị unu ritunu ya obere. Every Ezes and kings PG are run away, no Ezes at home again, half of it here. Somebody say I'm disappointed in hope. No be only you. No be only you, Isaac Okechukwu stand. No be only you. And you go bring better plan. Oh? All these ones where you gather around them, where say them be cabinet. Now them go still come give Amya Ubanza advice. Him. No one made the call and name. Yeah, they saying they buy people, they do it. Okay. On can no one a bunde mother Canada boya. And as a governor, you are the governor of the state. What shows you are a governor? What shows you if you can't even wait your power? Put it out now. Yes, now. Abraham Daniel, I greet you, my comrade. Let's my people. I don't know the type of report they are reporting here, and I thought it was network. Somebody say Lil is evidence of what you have been saying. Let them report Ishiha. Okay? Let them report Ishiha. If when they are done reporting